So kung may mangyayari mang aksyon o kaganapan kaugnay nito, yan ay mangyayari sa June 2.
Expressing my opinion that we really would rather not have the impeachment. They continue to do that, so
始终坚定支持对方维护国家主权、安全。